guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lulu. In today's video, I introduce BONOSS Sports electric fast wheel spacers for Lotus. If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with an inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing wheel spacers can effectively stop the rotting issue. Using wheel spacer is a good practical application for aesthetics purpose and performance upgrades. It is the most cost-effective and easiest way to keep bigger tires from rotting the fenders. By moving the tires out a few millimeters, this BONOSS forged wheel spacers make your Lotus look sporty. Precise Hubcentric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle wheel parts. In order to further optimize the Hubcentric connections, BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage Hubcentric lips. The Hubcentric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub spacers, which eliminates any possible gaps. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. Use wheel hanger that can easily reattach the wheels, and then tighten the extended wheel bolts with the right top. And take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheel sits flush with the fenders after the installation. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Lotus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.